24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano especially is drifting at $723,587.19, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. ADA explicitly acquired around 7.03% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano's MR10 truly shows a vertical pattern in a for the most part large manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the fundamentally past week, acquiring 14.06%, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 18 February 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally clarified pressing issues facts, what in a real sense is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Cardano, sort of is ADA a truly wise interest in a very significant manner. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, which certainly is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination sort of allowed us truly to discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1 to 954, 858, 536, 446 in a very enormous manner. The truly complete exchanging volume really remains at $57, 261, 752, 591, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which for the most part shows that 18 February 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Cardano really is ADA a wise venture, which generally is very huge, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18% amazingly. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351 following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, exhibiting how Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is up by 531 and at present exchanging at $112.76, which essentially is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to $56 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions sort of show that the market by and large is going in a descending bearing for truly present moment, exhibiting how these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an all things considered, descending course for especially transient in a significant manner. As of now, a by and large broad really regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support by and large is a level at which purchases basically become kind of more sort of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors in a real sense move fundamentally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly shows that 18 February 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sought clarification on some things facts. What truly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Cardano, truly is ADA a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Cardano ADA. Cardano execution ADA sort of has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 7.03% in kind of most recent 24 hours, showing how Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, truly is up by 531 and presently exchanging at $112.76, which essentially is very critical. The Essentially, current worth of Cardano in every practical sense is drifting at $0.62 with the exchanging volume of over 723,587 as 19 USD in the equivalent time period, which sort of is very huge. The fundamentally buy and large market cap for ADA especially is $21,971,072 19 USD, while the coin cost changes 14.96% over the course of the week, exhibiting how similarly obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants buy and large become moved genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. Which essentially shows that 18 February 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time truly got clarification on pressing issues facts, what in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, for the most part is ADA and essentially wise. Interest in a huge manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 18 February 2024 inside an especially day-to-day time span essentially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000 following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, showing how Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. We utilized genuinely relative strength indexes, moving truly normal intermingling and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving truly normal SMA and remarkable moving genuinely normal MR2 in every way that really matters, break down the future development of the Cardano beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The advanced moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity MACD marker fundamentally is demonstrating a genuinely present moment in every practical sense. Sell really signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath kind of sign line, which in a real sense implies generally bears explicitly are ruling in the market in an unobtrusive way. While ADA's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal in every practical sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which explicitly shows that while ADA's Williams %R marker certainly is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign especially is essentially conceivable at this reach, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and truly is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength. So the advanced moving truly normal union and uniqueness MACD marker basically is demonstrating a truly present moment buy and large sells certainly signal, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath sort of sign line which truly implies certainly bears most certainly are overwhelming in the market in a truly significant way. Ends there especially. Had been an in every practical sense positive pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will generally proceed with its vertical development concerning all plans and purposes long as it truly stays in the green region, showing how support for the most part is a level at which purchases explicitly become all things considered, something else. Things considered, dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely huge. You ought to possibly generally obtain crypto this moment assuming that you're ready to book benefit through most certainly transient market moves, which in every practical sense shows that while ADA's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. Exchange most certainly signal basically is entirely conceivable at this reach, which by and large